Hello everyone, my name is Miss Cunningham. I am the new EC teacher for grades 5-8. So for our classroom this year, we have a lot of expectations. My number one expectation is when you come into my door, you are going to put hand sanitizer on your hands, rub it in until it's completely dry. Then, when you come in up front, I'm going to have a feelings chart that I would like your student, or you, if you are the student watching this, to go up and point to how you're feeling today. So you might be happy, you might be sad, you might be overwhelmed, and if any of those occur, if you're sad or overwhelmed, we can have a short little discussion about it just to set the day off on a good foot. For instruction, I will be working with pulling some of you out, some of your students. If you are the parent watching this, I'll be pulling some of you out. For my 8th graders, I am doing inclusion this year. You guys, I'm going to be in your classroom. Remember, with the way things are this year, the classes are only about 6 to 8 students large anyway on any given week. I am going to be in inclusion, so therefore I will be in your classroom helping you when you need help, but you will be learning from your homeroom teacher. For the rest of you, I will be pulling you out some. There are a couple that I'll be doing inclusion with again for the younger grades. Remember, with your homeroom teachers, you're going to be doing live Zooms for my 7th and 8th graders, so you need to be paying attention to those emails and those messages that they are sending you. Our supplies that we will need for this room, I'm asking that you bring a pencil every day for class, and I will remind you if we need any coloring utensils or cutting utensils. And also in this classroom, I'm going to have personal little caddies with your name on them in your cubbies. When you come in, they will have a glue stick, a dry erase marker, and a dry erase board with it. Those will be for use for this room only when we are doing our pull-out stuff. I will be working and learning about all of your needs and everything that you are required to do, and I am looking forward to that. My contact information is mary.cunningham@alleghany.k12.nc.us. If your parents, and if you're the parent watching this, if you could please send me your contact information with your name, your number, and your email address. We are going to be using a program called Class Tag. It is super easy to use, and I will give you more information about that when I get it up and running. But to get that up and running, I am going to need that contact information, so please email me as soon as you can with all of that. That would help me greatly. Finally, this is going to be coming from your homeroom teacher as well, but I need to put it in here. We are a Title I school, which means we are federally funded. That money will go directly to your student, and if to get those funds, we have to have you sign the compact contract. That will be coming from your homeroom teacher with your packet for your Chromebooks. So make sure you get that signed and come back to us so we can get that money. We'd appreciate it. Any little bit helps, you know. Also, I am very, very, very excited to be working with all of you. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will be giving you more information about Class Tag and helping you walk through that and learn about that program if you've never used it before. It is very, very user-friendly. There will be updates on there. You can message me. It'll be great. But please do not feel like you have to be afraid to contact me with questions. I will be getting you my office hours at a later time because right now we're still trying to figure out my schedule and get it set in stone. But once I know, I will let you all know, and we will go from there. Any questions, please feel free to email me with those questions, but please give me your contact information as soon as possible. I look forward to meeting you and working with you, and I hope it's going to be a great school year. Bye!